Okay, so for those that wants to edit their page name, for instance, let me open one of my page here. So let me open this one, this little pebbles. Now you can see this edit. You can see all this line, this post, photo, promote, view as, then edit. Click on edit. Now when you click on edit, you see page header, page info, button, tab. This is where you can edit or do whatever it is that you want to do to your page. So let's check this page header. Okay, page header is for you to edit. If you want to edit the photo, I want to change the picture, the photo page, the photo and the head. I don't know. I hope you get that. Then page info. Let's see. Now, see, you can edit your page from here. Click on the name. Let's see. If you click on the name, now you can change the name. You see, I click on it, so I can type whatever it is I want to type. I can erase that and then type whatever I want to type. I don't want to change my page name, so let's say continue. You click on continue. Now continue current. So the name you change, now you now click on request what change. So request change, it will change your page name. You can as well change the category. Yeah, you can, I think you can add your, so basically what you need to do is just scroll down, just click. That's how I do my things. You just click and see what it pops up. If you don't like that, you can just click the arrow and go back to your previous page. So just keep scrolling and scrolling, and then you will see what you need to edit. This is where you edit your page and change whatever you need to change. You can as well click on more, like the buttons. So that just play around with it, and then you will get it. Like she said, you don't have to be perfect when you're doing all of this. You learn from your mistakes. You learn from your mistake. All of this, I just keep, clicking and clicking, and that is just it.